Ooh. Oh wow, caught the airplane, guys. Alright, we just want to hit the max bid all the way down to 100. You guys see that? Oh my god. Wow, look at that, guys. Off the bat, gave me the anchor. Triple. Oh, look at that. Now triple. Okay, never mind. Back to back. You end up getting that peace sign and a anchor, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. Ooh, come on, baby. Something big. Ooh, come on. Something big, baby. Come on, baby. Woo! Do it again. Double my money, guys. Just one, bro. Ooh, red, white, blue. Okay, got face on the line. Okay, mixed bars. Okay, 777. Ooh, look at that, guys. Bam! Come on, Bourbon. Do it right here. Bam! Caught the anchor right there, guys. Beautiful. Lucky 7 stay. Ooh, T, face single. Ooh, beautiful, guys. Something. Mixed spars. That's about it. Okay. I don't know, guys. Oh wow. Holy crap. Off of $20. Something. Oh my baby. 30 credits. Ooh, what? Did I get my peace sign? No. There was a mixed bars, Christmas tree, tea, so many different other patterns. Now you want to go red for mixed bars. Yeah, that's totally awesome. Ooh, okay. Come on, baby. Oh, come on, baby. Stay. Ooh, come on, baby. Stay. Oh, look at that. Oh, man. Ooh. 777s. Woo! 1 I'm gonna do is bet $5 all the way through, just for fun. And just like that, red screen caught the eyes. Open diamond. Inside corners. Ooh, let me do this real quick. There you guys go. Ooh, big diamond. Pirate stripe. Big diamond. And T. Ooh, face single. Caught the T right there, baby. Yeah. Okay, face cherry. Face mix bars. Come on, give me a little bit more red screens than that. There you go. Ah, man, face on the line again. Ooh, okay. Now mix bars. Ooh, what? 777s. There you go, baby. What? Oh. Ooh, this is a good bingo card. Ooh, I even called it, baby. Big diamond. Ooh, cross. Come on, baby. Keep on going. Ooh, baby. Come on, another cross. What? 340. Ooh, this might be good. There you go. So far, we got 2 6-packs. Arrowhead. Valentine's. 6-pack again. Ooh, Arrowhead. What, baby? Come on. Ooh, another 6-pack. Oh, wow. Double cross, guys. Woo! That was so beautiful. All right. I don't know what this is. Maybe a T. Big diamond. Another one. Ooh, keep on going, red baby. There you guys. Wow. Something. Come on. Mix wars. Maybe triple. Stay. Triple, baby. Okay. Okay, whatever that means. Now give me the triple. Woo! Look at that. Bam! Man, that was a nice, beautiful. It's like 13 minutes and I haven't really got anything good until maybe right now. Come on, stay. Ooh, 3 more spins. Or never mind, just do that instead. That's cool. Probably. Yeah, bro. Alright. Damn it. I was hoping I was wrong. Ooh, look at this red screen. Same thing. Face on the line. You do that again, I'm gonna quit. Oh. Let me shoot ducks. Oh, guys, we got the peace sign. We got 120 credits. I'm hoping, right? Wait, 30? Oh, there you go. Yeah, I got 120. Peace sign right there, baby. Even called it out. That's good, yeah, which is kind of sad. Ooh, finally. Oh, the peace sign finally came out. Go red. Oh, never mind. Ooh, we might got triple. Nope, stay. Got the triple, guys. Drop down there, man. I would have been super happy. There you go. Ooh, come on. Red, white. Do it something. Caught it, guys. Mixed bars, maybe face single. Oop, there you guys go. Face single. I knew I told you face single is going to come out. I'm very forgetful, so I do apologize. Let me do 2 more pushes. Let's go down to 190 and we'll cash out. Ah, look at that. Singles. Oh! We got a nice little hit. Back up to the 300 marker. Ooh, look. Red, white, blue for another 120, guys. Ooh, what? Double. Oh, what? Ooh, got that pyramid. Open D. Corners. 6-pack. Letter Y. 6-pack. Can I get a step ladder? X. Another letter Y. An X. 6-pack. Bingo button. Another bingo button. And an X. Something. Okay, we got open B. Pirate stripe. Letter Y. Arrowhead. Another pirate stripes. Open diamond. Letter Y. Cross. Another cross. Arrowhead. T. Another T. And window shade. The older machines, the newer machines. Ooh, there we go. Red screen, baby. So far we got the eyes. Another eye, so this is probably last spin. Nope. Letter Y. Another letter Y. Ooh, cross. Eyes. Ooh, sense. Come on, baby. Keep on going. Another makes sense. Woo! Double cross. Should have been something. Right here. Go red. Yeah, we got mixed bars, baby. Okay, we got one more. Come on. Now mixed bars to triple. Oh, we got triple, guys. We got it. What? What's going on, guys? You guys seen this? Woo! Bro, you didn't even want to go red. How about now? Ooh! Okay. You don't do nothing. Time to run. Ooh, something, please. We caught the red screen. Now we got mixed bars, maybe a T. Stay. Oh! Now mixed bars. Stay. Ooh, we got it, guys. We got the T face single. Oh, what the heck? Why can't you just drop there, bro? All right, we get to shoot ducks. So far, we got 60. Oh, we got the peace sign, which is equivalent to triple, guys. Woo! The ducky finally lifted. Again. Found another one. Got the open diamonds. Pirate stripe. And an arrowhead. Go red. Ooh, this might be good, guys. 135, caught the arrowhead. Something, please. Caught another one. Okay. Stay. Got the step ladder. Got another step ladder. Ooh, caught the T. And it's still going red, guys. Ooh, got the anchor right there. Should have went red. Ooh, like that. Got the 6-pack. Ooh, another 6-pack. Come on, baby. Ooh, a pyramid. Come on. Ooh, guys, what do you guys think it is? I'm thinking it's just 30 credits. Nothing spectacular, but hey, let's see. I always go for the squares. That's just usually my, wow, we caught the hot dog. I did. There you go again. Freaking. Ooh, look at that, guys. What the heck, naked? You just came in. Come on. Ooh, we got face single. Caught the hot dog already, guys. Oh wait, did I just bet a freaking dollar? Anyways, all right, mixed bars to single. Ooh, triple, double. Okay, lucky sevens. That's fine. Something. There you go. We got the red screen, baby, on 10. Let's see. We got open diamonds. Now we got inside corners. Big diamond. Got pirate stripe. Double cross. Anchor. Come on, baby. And the arrowhead. Beautiful, baby. I wish you would have landed right there, bro. Even that single bar would have landed right there. I would have been super happy. Ooh, look at that. Single. Or 777s. Bam, guys. Something. Ooh, so far got eyes. Got the Little Dipper. And baby buggy. Look how beautiful. What? Couldn't even give me that doggy bone. Look at that doggy bone version of what's in there. Ooh, step ladder? Yeah, well, we got open B so far. Hopefully it rotates the step ladder. Yep, step ladder. Probably like 4 more spins. Ooh, open B? What? Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's hit something big. Stay. Yeah. Come on, baby. Rotate to something else. Ooh, postage stamps. Open V. Lucky sevens. Step ladder. Another step ladder. Bam, baby. Look how beautiful that is. Ooh, big diamond, 120. Come on, something. There you go. Face on a line. Hopefully stay. Yes. Now, woo, there we go, baby. Valentine's. Oh my gosh, we got the letter K, guys. $300. Woo! I think somebody like yanked all the. Oh, there you go. 20 credits, right? Oh, guys. Whoa. Yeah. Ooh, single. Whoa. Beautiful. Got